Ferrari F80 Overview. The Ferrari F80 2025 is not just a car, it's a statement of power and elegance. Unveiled as the successor to the legendary LaFerrari, this hypercar represents the pinnacle of automotive engineering. With a limited production of just 799 units, the F80 is already making waves as one of the most exclusive and coveted vehicles of the decade. The F80 was designed to celebrate Ferrari's innovative spirit and racing heritage. Every detail, from its aerodynamics to its engineering, is a testament to Ferrari's commitment to excellence. This vehicle bridges the gap between Ferrari's storied past and its ambitious future, proving that innovation and tradition can coexist seamlessly. Ferrari's engineers approached the F80 with a singular vision: to create a hypercar that dominates both the track and the road. The result is a machine that pushes the boundaries of speed, technology, and luxury. Engine and performance. Under the hood, the Ferrari F80 boasts a revolutionary hybrid powertrain. It features a 3.0-liter twin turbocharged V6 engine paired with 3 electric motors, producing a combined output of 1,200 horsepower. This immense power allows the F80 to accelerate from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 2.15 seconds, with a top speed of 350 kilometers per hour, 217 miles per hour. This powertrain marks a new era for Ferrari, combining the raw performance of traditional engines with the efficiency of electric motors. The hybrid system not only enhances acceleration, but also optimizes energy recovery during braking. Ferrari's engineers have pushed the boundaries of what's possible, ensuring that the F80 delivers exhilarating performance without compromising on sustainability. The F80's advanced hybrid system also includes an all-wheel drive setup, ensuring optimal power distribution to all 4 wheels. Whether tackling tight corners or sprinting down straightaways, the F80 offers unparalleled handling and stability. To enhance the driving experience further, the F80 features multiple performance modes. These allow the driver to adjust the car's dynamics for different scenarios, from track days to relaxed highway cruising. Design and features. The design of the Ferrari F80 is an aerodynamic marvel, inspired by Ferrari's rich racing heritage. Key features include active aerodynamics, adaptive front and rear wings for optimal downforce, carbon fiber chassis, lightweight yet incredibly strong for maximum speed and agility, luxurious interior, a driver-focused cabin with premium materials and cutting-edge technology. The exterior design is characterized by sleek, flowing lines that enhance aerodynamic efficiency while exuding elegance. The aggressive front fascia, sculpted sides, and integrated rear diffuser work together to reduce drag and increase stability at high speeds. The car's low profile and wide stance give it a commanding presence on the road. Inside, the F80's cockpit is a fusion of luxury and technology. It features advanced digital displays, intuitive controls, and ergonomic seating that ensure maximum comfort and precision for the driver. The use of high-quality materials, such as Alcantara and carbon fiber, further elevates the sense of sophistication. Ambient lighting and customizable settings create a personalized driving environment. The F80 also incorporates state-of-the-art safety features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and advanced collision detection systems, ensuring that drivers can enjoy the car's power with peace of mind. Price and release date. The Ferrari F80 price starts at an eye-watering $4 million, making it one of the most expensive hypercars ever produced. Despite the steep cost, all 799 units have already been sold to elite collectors and enthusiasts. The official Ferrari F80 release date is set for late 2025, with deliveries expected to begin by the year's end. This exclusivity and anticipation only add to the F80's allure. The price reflects not only the car's cutting-edge technology and performance, but also its status as a collectible masterpiece. For those lucky enough to own one, the F80 is more than a vehicle. It's an investment in Ferrari's legacy. Owning an F80 means becoming a part of an exclusive club, sharing in the prestige and innovation that define the Ferrari brand. Why the Ferrari F80 stands out. The Ferrari Hypercar 2025 isn't just about raw power. It's a symbol of innovation. From its hybrid engine to its cutting-edge aerodynamics, the F80 represents Ferrari's vision for the future of high-performance vehicles. With the perfect balance of speed, luxury, and sustainability, the new Ferrari F80 is more than a car. It's a legacy. It embodies the spirit of Ferrari's relentless pursuit of perfection, pushing boundaries in every aspect of design and engineering. What sets the F80 apart is its ability to seamlessly blend the thrill of traditional Ferrari performance with modern advancements in hybrid technology. It's a car that appeals to both purists and forward-thinking enthusiasts. This is not just a car for the present, but a vision of what future hypercars can and should be. Ferrari's vision for the future. The F80 is just the beginning of Ferrari's journey into the next generation of hypercars. With advancements in sustainable materials, electric powertrains, and artificial intelligence, Ferrari aims to stay ahead of the competition while remaining true to its core values. The lessons learned from the F80's development will influence future models, ensuring that Ferrari continues to set benchmarks for performance, design, and innovation. The F80 serves as a bold statement of intent. Ferrari is not just adapting to the future, it's shaping it. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the world of the Ferrari F80 2025. We've explored its jaw-dropping performance, stunning design, and groundbreaking technology. What do you think about the Ferrari F80? Is it worth the $4 million price tag? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exclusive content on the world's most iconic hypercars. Stay tuned for more automotive excitement, and we'll see you in the next video.